Mother. Sucker.
Hello everyone, happy Thursday. I just got out of some business that I had to do. I'm about to get gas and now I'm gonna head home. I just wanted to check in because I haven't all week. I ripped my last pair of contacts that I had, so I've been stuck with my glasses for some time. Hopefully they should come in next week because it's really annoying wearing glasses, and like I like wearing them sometimes, but I don't like to have to wear them. So yeah, that's been kind of annoying, but yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that I'm busy. What's new? Got a banh mi sandwich, and I came home to the best surprise ever. Not her. Lila, are you still drinking my drink? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so I go all the way.
Woo!
I'm so excited.
Did you get a boba? Yeah, you have a lot of bobas in your mouth? Woo! Yay!
You gotta run and jump. Do we have any,
Happy Friday. I am using the milk blur stick for the first time. I'm gonna test it out today. It did really like blur out my pores right here. Hopefully, like I'm gonna use it as a primer. I'm gonna see how it works like by itself. Hopefully I don't get really greasy. Yard. Bomb. Nachos for mom. Nachos. Chicken strips for baby. You're yours? Yeah, they're yours. And then sashimi. Hi. Look at this precious girl. Aww. Look at Tita! Where's Tita? Tita's right there! Look at Tita! Where are we going now, Lila? We're gonna go see a Johnny Cash tribute!
Yeah.
Yay! We got back from Long Beach and my brother loves Johnny Cash. And there's like gonna be a, I'm so oily. There's gonna be like a Johnny Cash tribute in Santa Fe Springs, so we're gonna go see that. And Carlos is gonna meet us there. Right, Lila?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lila's passed out. Santa Fe Springs swap meet. It's like an active swap meet. Do you have cash?
yeah.
Okay, because I don't. You're gonna have to cover me. So we were told the show's under the lights.
Everywhere's on.
But
There's lights everywhere.
there's lights everywhere.
What happened? Anybody know?
It's just like under, we're in a maze.
I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends out for the tiny vines. Because you're mine, I walk the line. I find it very, very easy to be true. I find myself alone these days through. Yes, I'll admit that I'm a fool for you. Because you're mine, I won't lie.
The night is over. The baby's still knocked out.
Slept the whole way.
was fun. Cashed out. Check them out.
Get the blimp.
Wait. Are you having fun, Mama? Ooh. Look at this guy.
Go.
You crazy. Carlos is stupid.
Huh?
We broke up yesterday.
What?
Never seeing him again. That wasn't him. So I ditched the glasses and I can't see clearly, like everything's kind of blurry, but
Can
I'm
you see
really
this?
annoyed of using those glasses.
Can you see
so
this?
stop! We're at Portos again. Again. So the line is like 10
You're in
countries
Mexico.
long, so we're not gonna go. BTS.
Huh?
BTS.
No.
We're at Burger Parlor. This is where our first date as a couple was at. We met here for his birthday. Veggie burger, Portland burger, and he got the parlor burger. Your milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. We're now at South Coast Plaza.
We're not. We're Brea.
Oh,
They did know.
we're at Brea. Oh my
They
god.
didn't know the story.
We're at Key. I really like these. They're freaking cool. Just got back home. And Lila wanted to play with Carlos, so she's burying him because he dead. Watermelon? Watermelon. Update. I made us some dinner. Tofu and brown rice. I went vegetarian today.
49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 automobile. It's a 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66.